All right. Then my question will be, what are the formal coordination mechanisms that are established by the NDRRMC? Tayo po ba ay nakikipag-ugnayan po sa DOST ang inyo pong ahensya para wherein ika nga same music, wherein ika nga pareho po ang ating pagkakaintindi?
Yes, sir. So currently, sir, the NDRRMC is already adopting the National Disaster Response Plan, or the NDRP, for the chemical, biological, radioactive, and nuclear, or the CBRN hazards. And we are in close coordination po with the PNRI for the formulation of the Radiological Emergency Preparedness and Response Plan, or the RAD plan, sir.
It was mentioned last hearing by the PNRI that the Nuclear Energy Program Interagency Committee has already developed the National Radiological Nuclear Emergency Preparedness and Response Plan, and that it was already submitted to your office. Do you confirm the submission?
Yes, sir. We confirm the submission, sir.
Okay. And then, what are the trainings and preparations conducted by the NDRRMC in accordance to the said plan? Paano ba natin inihahanda ang ating mga kababayan sa mga sakunang dala ng nuclear incidents? Meron na po ba tayong mga protocols? Meron na po ba tayong manual on what to do para pag sa ganun ay mapag-aralan na po ng mga ahensya, ng mga kababayan po natin on things to do just in case nagkaroon po ng problema?
Sir, currently we're still formulating the trainings for the implementation of the Office of Civil Defense, sir, through our Civil Defense Training Service, sir.
Okay. Gaano po kaya katagal? Can you give us a time frame, sir?
Hopefully, sir, we can have the plans by within this year, sir, and implementation for 2027, sir.
Realistic po ba yan, yung inyong plans at saka implementation for 2027? I believe, pag ganito po, kailangan po natin ng mga equipment, kailangan po natin ng hindi lang po training, hindi lang po this is different from earthquake drills that we do, di po ba? This is different, very different from, kasi po doon di po natin kailangan ng gamit, kailangan lang natin mag-cover, duct, di po ba? But this is nuclear, so we will need equipment for this, attorney, to for the safety of our people. Ang tanong po dyan, who will purchase? Saan po tayo kukuha ng mga equipments nito, yung mga nuclear outfits to prevent, para hindi po makontaminate, mahawa yung ating mga kababayan. Napag-usapan na po ba ito?
Not yet, sir. We're currently formulating pa lang po the plan for the training session, sir. But as for the equipment, sir, we completely agree, sir, that this needs to be thought out thoroughly, sir, especially for the purchase of the equipments for the detection of radiation, for Geiger counters, also for the radiation containment equipment, sir.